i35equipment.com. This is the big hydraulic thumb. 32 by 62 is the thumb size. It has 4 tines or fingers. They are serrated to give you a better grip on whatever it is you're grabbing onto. Currently it's completely folded down. The cylinder is on the side. Makes it easy if we're going to be shipping one to you. To get it set up, you're just going to take this end of your cylinder, take that pin out, slide it in a spot, pin back, take the pin out of the top here, put that cylinder pin right through that hole on your cylinder. Just need to make sure you have auxiliary hydraulics if you're wondering if it fits your machine best. The best way to do it is just set your arm straight up and down, your bucket with the teeth flat on the ground, and measure from right above your pin where the bottom of your hydraulic thumb would weld on to the tip of your teeth. You want to have it right at the 62 or slightly below that, because if you have more distance than that, your bucket can end up swallowing your thumb. So for example, if your length was, we'll say 68 or 70, you want to go on up to that next size up. But I appreciate you taking time to watch. You can always see our full and updated inventory online at www.i35equipment.com. We do sell consignment heavy equipment. You see all the buckets, attachments, machinery there. Before we go, got my tape measure out here today. We're going to be showing you how far out these tines or fingers are spaced. So just see about there. We'll just go past it so you can see what it is, in case you're considering. That's going to have one down there, 0 to 1. Hope that video has been beneficial to you, and that you have a wonderful day.